Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Instagram updates you might missed. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application. And the first update that I'm going to show you is about how to share Instagram Reel to WhatsApp status. So guys, now we can share Instagram Reel to our WhatsApp status. And I'm going to choose one of the reels from Instagram. I'm going to go to this page, and for example, I'm going to share this reel. Okay, we just need to click on this share menu, and here we will have option to share this reel to WhatsApp status. Just click on WhatsApp status, and then I'm going to share without audio. Okay, and before we share it to our status, we can edit the status. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to the Instagram. And for your information guys, that not all Instagram reels can be shared to WhatsApp status. I'm going to try another reel. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, we can share it. Okay, I'm just going to share it. Okay, and then I'm going to go back and try the other Instagram reel. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to try this one and this one. Okay, as you can see guys, for this reel, we can't share it to WhatsApp status. There is no option. Okay, and then the next update I'm going to show you is about how to speed up Instagram reel. So I'm going to play one of the Instagram reel. Okay, for example, this one. If you want to speed up, for example, 2 times faster, you can tap and hold on this area, the right side area, and you will be able to speed up 2 times faster. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to speed up this reel. Okay, just tap and hold on the right side, and you will be able to change the speed. Okay, this one. Okay, as you can see. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today about update on Instagram you might missed. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.